If you are having issues with the auto brightness feature on your Redmi device, the problem is likely to be caused by one of a few underlying reasons. Here are some troubleshooting steps you can follow. Recalibrate the ambient light sensor. The ambient light sensor is turned on in case a user wishes to enable the auto brightness feature, and it adjusts the brightness of the display accordingly. If it is not working properly, then you may attempt to recalibrate it. Go to Settings and Display Brightness Level. Disable auto brightness. Set the brightness to a very low value and then set it to very high brightness and set the auto brightness again. Power cycle device. Sensor issues maintenance may sometimes require device restart. Power off your Redmi device, power it off and wait a few seconds and power it back on. Clear cache. Sometimes major cache may be responsible for blocking the auto brightness. Notice this as an extra step before attempting to change device settings. Go to Settings, Apps and Manage Apps. Search for System UI or Display. Select Clear Cache. Software update. In some cases, the software update may be the source of such complaint. Check for system updates. Go to Settings, About Phone, System Update. Go ahead and install any updates that are available. Factory reset. If none of the above solutions work, you might prefer initiating a factory reset as a last resort measure. Before proceeding, back up your previous data, cell phone, go to Settings, then About Phone and click Factory Reset. If the problem persists, it can